Okay, we'll go with another sum. So I'm going little bit fast with this sum. So format already ready, and okay, I'm not going to read that, but directly I'm going to solve that sum. First, record the following transaction of Miss Tools India Limited in 2-column cash book. Okay, so bank balance and cash balance. So what is that? Bank balance and cash balance means that is nothing but opening balance. Cash balance and bank balance means nothing but cash in hand. So this is cash in hand, and bank balance means cash at bank, that is 48,000, 12,000. Okay, how to write it? Okay, that normally we write in a debit side, that is to balance brought down, that is on January 1st. Okay, so cash how much? Cash how much we have said? Cash in hand is, or cash balance. See, cash balance is here, that is 12,000. So cash column 12,000, and bank balance, that is cash at bank is 48,000. Okay, next, fourth, purchased goods for cash. Purchased goods for cash means it's payment side. So by purchases account, that is on January 4th, 6,000. 6,000 what? It is cash. See here, cash, we have paid cash, so payment in cash column. Next, brought goods by check. Brought and purchase both are same. Brought mother purchase and the same. So in other word, we can read it as a purchased goods by check. Okay, previously it was for cash, but now it is for check. Check means from bank amount will be decreased. So that means by purchases account on 8th. Why by purchase account? Because the entry for this journal entry is brought goods by check means nothing but purchase account data to bank account. So amount in which column? Amount in bank column. How much? 15,000. 15,000. Next, sold goods for cash. Sold goods for cash means sales, and we are received cash. So it's in receipt side, that is on 12th. Cash account data to sales account. How much rupees? 11,000. How, in which column? In cash column. Why in cash column? Because we have received cash. Next, purchased, 15th, purchased machinery by check. Okay, see, previously we had purchased goods, but now we have purchased machinery. So when we are purchasing machinery is asset. When we are purchasing asset, we have to take it as a asset account. Okay, asset account means machinery account which comes in, asset comes in, so machinery account data by check means machinery account data to bank. So it's in payment side. Why? Because while purchasing machinery, we have to make payment, right? Machinery buy ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹಣ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and it is paid through check. Check in the amount payment ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So that means amount will be decreased in bank account. So by machinery account or asset account, how much? Sorry, date 15, amount rupees 7,500, and in which column? Amount is in bank column. Why bank column? Because amount is paid through check. Okay, so next, 12th, sorry, not 12th, 16th, sold goods and received check and deposit into banks. Deposit into bank. Sold goods and received check and deposit into bank. That means we have received check for selling goods. Now goods sale ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, and same day we have deposited into bank. Same day we have deposited it into bank. So now first of all, sold goods means it's a receipt, right? So receipt to sales account, that is on 16th. Okay, So we are received check, right? But same day we are deposited to bank means now what happened? Amount will be increased in bank, because when we are given check to bank, amount will be credited, amount will be added to your account. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ 8,000 will be increased or received in a bank account. Next 20th, brought stationery by check. Brought stationery by check. So stationery ತಂದದೇನಾಯಿತು? Brought by check means stationery is a expense. Expense means the payment ಆಯಿತು. So entry, what is the entry? That is on 20th, stationery account data to stationery account data to by check. Check means it is bank account. Stationery account data to bank account. So we are written by stationery account. Amount in which column? Bank column. Okay. Next, check given to Rohit. Check given to Rohit. Rohit nige check kottidare. So when we are given check, amount will be decreased from which one? Bank account, right? So check given to Rohit means amount will be decreased in a bank account. It's a payment. So what is the entry? Rohit account data to bank account. So by Rohit account, that is on date 21. How much? 3,500. We have given check. So amount in which column? Bank column. Next, withdrawn cash from bank for office use. When you have withdrawn cash from bank for office use means it's not drawings. Idu drawings alla, but entry will be in bank account amount decreased and we have received cash. So cash increased. Cash account data to bank account. So by cash account to bank account. By cash account and to bank account means what happened now? It is a contra entry. Okay, now how much amount we have withdrawn? 10,000. 10,000 from bank amount is paid, bank amount is decreased and we have received cash. Bank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯಿತು, cash ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಯಿತು. Or cash account, if you are written cash account, amount in bank column. If you are written bank account, amount is in cash column. Next, rent paid by check. When you are paid rent by check, amount will be decreased in bank. It's a payment. So entry rent account data to cash, to bank account. So by rent account, that is on date 31st, and previously it was 27. Okay, 31st by rent account. Paid by check. Paid by check means amount will be decreased in bank column. So we have to write in bank column. And paid salary. Paid salary, it's an expense and they have not, salary is not paid by check. It is just paid. They have mentioned paid means it's a cash payment. So cash paid means what we have to do? It's a expense payment by salary account. Okay, what is the journal entry? Salary account data to cash account. Amount is 4,000. So we have to write amount in cash column. So entries got over. So now we have to make total. Total, which side is more? That you have to see. As per me, in cash column amount is more in debit side. Debit side, that is 12 plus 11 means 23 plus 10 means 33,000. 33,000 is more. So we have written in both the side, debit side and credit side. So now we have to find out difference. 33,000 minus 4 minus 6 means 23,000 is the difference. And in bank column, 48,000 plus 8,500 means 56,500. So other side amount is less. So So 56,500 total I have to write in both the side, and now I have to deduct 15,000, 7,500, 2,000, 3,500, 10,000 and 3,000 from this value. So at last amount will be 15,500. So what is this? This is difference. Difference means by balance carried down. Yavaga idu month end. So next you have to bring this value to the next month, that is February 1st, to balance brought down. How much? 23,000 and 15,500. So here we are done with the double column cash book. Okay, so first of all we have to write here double column cash book that I have left out. So this is important, double column cash book, this you have to write, that is must. Okay, thank you. You do these sums, and I will give you one homework also. You have to solve that in your notes book. Tomorrow 10:30, tomorrow at 10:30 there will be a class, live class in Google Meet. I will send you message regarding that. Thank you.